It's already 9 o'clock. I don't know if I can do this. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do these passion twists, or at least my version of passion twists. This is my first attempt, but for it being my first, it's not that bad. It didn't turn out, as bad as I thought it was going to be. So for this particular style, you are going to need a few things. One, you're going to need a crochet needle. It looks like this. Excuse my voice, y'all. Please disregard it. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, you're going to need a crochet needle. It comes with, a latch. You can get it from the beauty supply store for about $1 or $2. You're going to need an edge control of your choice. I chose to use Edge Booster right here. If you watch my videos frequently, you know that this is pretty much all I use. Next, you're going to need a beeswax of some kind, just so it can help grip the hair while you're wrapping it. Lastly, you're going to need some type of moisturizer, or at least that's what I decided to use because my hair gets pretty dry easily. I decided to use the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream. It looks like this. The only reason why I used this because it's pretty much what all I had in my room. So figured why not give it a shot, and it worked pretty well on it. Also for this style, I decided to use the rubber band method. It's a little bit easier to grip the hair that way, so you're going to need a small pack of black rubber bands. Now, as far as the hair brand that I use, I'll give more details about it in the description below and throughout the video. But this is 18 inches, color 1B. I stand about 5'10", and it stops like right here on me. So that was pretty much the perfect length. I really don't like long hair like that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. All right, what's up everyone? As you can see, I've done the majority of the twists already. This is kind of what it's looking like. I'm liking it. I gotta tweak it a little bit, but all I have to do is this section. I've already moisturized each one of these and parted them using the rubber band method. Now, of course, if you are doing the rubber band method, you'll need to wash and condition your hair and go ahead and stretch it out. I did it with my blow dryer. I figured that'll be a little quicker. So it looks like that, and you just tie your rubber band within each section after you finish parting. So the hair that I decided to use for this particular style was Passion Water Wave 18 inches. In the color 1B. Each pack is $6.99. I'll put in the description below the actual website of the company so you can get it yourself if you're interested, but I just picked it up from my local beauty supply store. This will be my 5th pack that I used, and all I have to do is just do this section, so it actually worked out pretty well. Alright, as you can see, I already separated this part and put the rubber band on, tightening it up. I'll next use my Tangle Teezer to make sure that I get all the knots and kinks out. Afterwards, I'll apply my beeswax to it just to add a little bit more moisture to it. Next, I'll use my Edge Booster to make sure that particular section is slicked down. Now you can use any edge control that you choose. I just prefer Edge Booster. All right, and it should look a little, it's stiff as a board. Okay. Next, I'll take my crochet hair, making sure that it's centered together. Now, you can make it longer or uneven, whichever one you want, it's your preference. But I'll separate each one, like so. Kind of make it fluffy, but I don't want to tangle it up, so just be careful while you're doing this. Next, I like to use a little bit of my beeswax and put it on the center to make sure that it's nice and twisted. Next, you'll need your crochet needle. If you're unfamiliar with what a crochet needle is, that's totally fine. It's a needle used for crocheting, obviously. It comes with a hook and there's a latch here. Okay. I'll take it while the latch is closed, pull it through that section like so. Next, I'll take the crochet hair that I kind of already prepped, looping it around my first 2 fingers and my thumb. I will loop it in the hook for the crochet needle and close the latch. Next, I'll pull it through while still holding these 2 pieces and unlatch the crochet needle. While this loop is still open, I'll take one of these pieces that I separated and pull it through the loop, being sure not to catch my hair inside of it so it won't knot up, and pull it together like so. Now, if the loop comes undone, that's totally fine. Just make it tight. Next, I'll take my section of hair, make sure that it's tight, and begin the twisting process. While I'm twisting it, I'll be incorporating my edge booster and also my beeswax to make sure that it's slick. While I'm twisting the section, I'll make sure that I run my fingers through it so it won't get tangled. Make sure it's tight. As I'm twisting upward. So I twist, 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 and twist it up. I'll continue this process all the way down to the end. As you can see, the ends are uneven, and like I said earlier, I like mine even, so I'll take a small section from the longer side, move it over to this side so it can be even. And again, continuing this process. Once I get to the ends, I'll secure it with my beeswax and my edge booster, making sure I smooth this section out. Next, I'll take one of my rollers I got from the spa store. This is the smallest size. I don't know the actual dimensions, but it's the smallest one. Wrap it around that twist securely and close it. After I do this, I'm gonna dip all these in hot water so it can stay. And when I let go, they have kind of that springy feel to it. That's why while I was twisting it, I kept twisting it up so it can have that feel to it. Now I'll continue this process throughout the rest of my hair, which is only this section. Then I'll finally be done. I have been here for so long. All right, now that I've finished the rest of my twists, I'm gonna run and dump, I'll run and dump these in hot water, then I will officially be done. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. Thank you again for watching. God bless you. Peace.